Hey guys, it's Wanda and welcome to Crazy Days. Today, just a little quick video on Harvest Right freeze dryer items. Today I have dill pickles in the freeze dryer. Yeah, that's right, dill pickles. I bought the big half-gallon jugs and I put them in my freeze dryer yesterday. I'm supposed to be taking them out. I'm going to show you the bags I'm using, but I wanted to explain the process first. I dried the dill pickle chips. I put them in a colander, drained the juice. I saved my juice anyway. And then I put them on a piece of cheesecloth, laid them out. And then I took a paper towel and took the moisture off of them. That way they're not really a lot of moisture on them when they go into the freeze dryer. And I put these in not frozen and just hit not frozen on my freeze dryer. So we're going to see how these do today. I've done dill pickle chips before and they were amazing. If you like dill pickles, this is the ultimate dill pickle chip. With the Harvest Right kit that I got with the freeze dryer, I also get a heat sealer. And this does not pull a vacuum, it only heat seals. The original bags that come with the kit are this size right here. You write the name of the contents, the date, and any information like whether it's raw and needs to be cooked or if it's ready to eat or how many teaspoons of water or whatever to add to it to get it back to consistency. The new bags I got, these are them right here. They're about almost half the size of the original bag. But what I like about these little bags for things like dill pickle chips, they're smaller. You don't have to open a huge bag. And when I cut this bag open, I have to reseal it. This one has a zipper right here. I'll show you in this right here. You see the zipper seal? Once you put your contents in there, you zipper it down and then seal up above this cut. When you pull that to open it after, where it's sealed across there and you cut that, you can undo the zipper seal, eat your stuff, and if you have some left over, simply zipper seal instead of having with this one to reheat. Now, these little bags have a pouch bottom. That's what I liked about it. That way you can see in there the pouchy. These are just simply flat and it pooches out everything here. This one has that pouch where it will hold better. So we're going to see which kind of bags we like. I also use Harvest Right oxygen absorbers. These are 300 cc's for those who have asked, and if you're looking for them somewhere else, they're 300 cc's, but I prefer Harvest Right because they're selling their product that seems to work best with their machine. So, two different types bags, the oxygen absorbers, the heat sensor. Let's go get some dill pickle chips. And this is what dill pickle chips look like when they come out of the freeze dryer. I'm going to put them in a bag and see if one bag will hold a whole tray. So, one bag of dill pickle chips fit in this. We're going to go ahead and zipper it down and vacuum seal. I put one 300 cc's oxygen absorber in it. I take and mash the air out as much as possible. Then I put the zipper on so there's no air in it. And I've got this turned up on, it's on 5. Let's turn it up to 6. I'm going to put it on 6 and simply, and then it kicks off and you have a seal. Now I like to do mine twice just for safety purposes. Harvest Right freeze dryer bags. These for when you want a huge tray of a lot of, that's totally full. These for more snack things and you're going to open it off and on and be eating just a little out of it at a time. Works great. They're the pouch bags with a Ziploc top. The regular bags, just for one time, you're going to open it up and use it. The 300 cc's oxygen absorbers. The heat sealer. Isn't that so pretty? Isn't that awesome? And dill pickle chips. The crunch, the dill taste, you can't beat it. How much better is just a plain dill chip, whether you make them yourself or you buy them in town, than a dill pickle potato chip, right? So each of these bags come in boxes of 50. You get 50 of these, 50 of the oxygen absorbers, or 50 of the pouch with a zipper seal. 50 each box. Harvest Right freeze dryer and dill pickle chips. Awesome way to have something to snack on for the future. Thank you guys from Crazy Days.